So as you can see right here, a tomato. There's the culprit right there, Lulu. So does anybody have any ideas on what I could do to ensure that Lulu doesn't eat any more of these tomatoes? And there's some that are really ripe now. Oh man, that's probably where she got it from. So let me know if there's any idea, because I have 4 of them, and this is one of the first years with this dog that I've had tomatoes, and now I know she loves tomatoes, but only to pick them, not to eat them. That's wasteful. That's wasteful, Lulu. Now you're eating grass.